how to resize image in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course go here in our project. And once we're now here, just upload the image that you want to use. So just click the upload image right there. And let's say for example that we want to use this image right here. Now, of course, we're going to add it into our Canva. Now, to adjust it or to resize the image, all you have to do is to click this one right here. So you will see this circles right here in the corner of the image. So you can do that by just dragging it, and then the image will be resized according to your wants. So once you do that, you can also adjust the image by doing this one right here. As you can see, we can also do that. So all you have to do is to do that right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to adjust the image and we want to occupy all of the space in the Canva. Now, as you can see, we now resized the image into this size. However, if you want to resize the document itself, then you can do that by just going here in the resize button. So you can click that one right here, and then you can choose a size that you want to use, or you can of course also do a custom size right here. So you can just click that. So what we're going to do is to look for the size of this image. So just look for the image in your file explorer. See that the dimension is 1920 by 1080. So what we're going to do here is to go back into our Canva, and we're going to resize this into 1920. We're going to convert this into px. So we're going to put this into 1920 and 1080 right there. And then once you do that, you can just click resize this design right here. And then once you do that, as you can see, we now have resized the image. So all you have to do is to, of course, adjust the image again, and you are now good to go. So that is basically it. That is how to resize an image in Canva.